Hello, so this is my semester project. It's supposed to be sort of a implementation where an animal walks up with an RFID tag like this, or like a card like this, and my implementation just fell to the ground. And a scanner will read that card, and if it sees a correct ID, scanner's right here, it will give me this blue light here, which I got from scanning one of these. And then it will tell this to turn a door, which was wooden before, but now is paper because my power supply wasn't enough to get it to turn the right way. And it would turn this, and I had it to preset settings to turn to either 90 degrees, so it would open to 90 degrees here this way, or 0, which is it's at now. And I destroyed the motor, which didn't make any sense why I destroyed it, but apparently going outside of the range for PWM does actually break your things when they're plastic gears. So I tried implementing it with a DC motor, but I have yet to get that to work. So right now, this is the project. So here's the scanner with the RFID tags. They don't actually need to be written. External libraries need to be used for that to get it to actually write your own tag names to these, which is what I would want to do in a further implementation as the break goes on after the class. And then hopefully I'll be able to install this like in a wall or something above an actual wooden door, not a makeshift wire paper one like I've got here. And then it'll send the data to my controller here, and I'll just run like a loop like I've got in my code, and it checks to see whether it is fitting within a list of IDs that I've created. And of course also it'll still just turn on this blue light. And so there was an H-bridge before, but I read a lot online because the H-bridge wasn't working for me. It wasn't actually turning it all the way, which didn't make any sense, nor was it letting me use enough power, even though I could put an external power source on it. So this actually doesn't require an H-bridge. I can just hook it straight up to the output from my PWM, which is similar to what the libraries are doing, that way you're writing directly to that yellow wire, which is with the pulse input. And so that's how I was controlling it before I broke the plastic gears inside of it. And so that is the state of my system. Right before it's due, it breaks. But this part was working before. RFID is still a bit broken, but kind of works.